In a previous video, we've shown how you can build a PhoneGap application that opens up PDF files that are stored on the device, in the device's file system, using the native viewer associated with that file type. So we showed how you can download PDF files from the server, store those PDF files in the file system, and then view the PDF files using the native PDF viewer on the mobile device. In this video, we'll show how you can make an AJAX callback to the server, and then on the server generate the PDF file that you'd like to download to the device dynamically, and then view the PDF file with the native PDF viewer. And in this particular case, we're going to generate the PDF file using the Alpha Report Writer to save a report as a PDF file. So I'm going to go here and tap this button, which is going to make a callback to the Alpha server. We're going to generate a report and save it as a PDF file on the server. So when I tap the button, we make a callback, the wait button is displayed, and then when the report has been completed, there's a JavaScript function that we can define. So in this case, we've put up an alert that says report has been created. And then when we tap the OK button, the report will then be downloaded from the server to the mobile device and then opened using the PDF viewer. So you can see here we see our report, and basically we're looking at it in the PDF viewer, which means that we've got all of the pinch zooming features that the PDF viewer offers. And then when we press the done button, we close the PDF viewer and return to the application. So let's go now behind the scenes and take a look at how this application was created. So we're taking a look now behind the scenes at how this action that created the PDF report on the server was created. So you'll see how we have basically a simple UX component. It's got a button called PDF report right here, and then it's got a placeholder. So we'll go and open up this button, and we can see that in the action for the button, we're using the PhoneGap open files with native application. So this is the action JavaScript that uses the PhoneGap Cordova-Open plugin, and we can see that in the definition of this action we specified that the PDF file that we would like to download is a remote file, and that we would like to make an AJAX callback to the server to actually get the file. So if we had unchecked this, then we would be prompting for the URL of a remote PDF file. So that could be, say, the URL of a PDF file or an MP4 file, etc., that might have been, say, on an Amazon S3 server. But in this case, we'd like to basically make the AJAX callback, and then the type of AJAX callback can either be a user-defined callback, in which case you'll specify any XBasic function that you want to actually generate the file that you would like to download, or you can use a predefined type of AJAX callback called a report callback. So there we've chosen report, and then when we tap on the smart field here, we get the definition of the report. So you can see here we've chosen project report number 1, which is a report that is built against the Northwind customer table. We've specified that when the report has been created, we'd like to call a JavaScript function called done. So this is the JavaScript function that put the alert up. And then once the report has been created, we'd like to download that report and store it in the file system on the mobile device. And the part of the file system that we'd like to use is the temp part. And the folder that we would like to store it in is underbar AA temp files. And then when the PDF file is being downloaded, we'd like to display progress, and we'd like the progress to display in the location specified by placeholder number 1. So that's all that we had to do to basically make a callback to the server and then generate the PDF file that we would like to view dynamically on the server. Now you'll notice that we've also put up a wait message over here. So we've used Action JavaScript to display a wait message that covers the whole page, and then we haven't included any code to close the wait message, because this action, the open file with native application, automatically executes a close wait message before after the report has been completed and before the download starts. So there's no need to actually include the close wait message because that is implicit. So now that we've done this, basically we have the ability to press a button, make an AJAX callback, and then generate a report on the fly, and then bring that report down to the file system, and then store that that report in the file system, and then view it using the PDF viewer. Now, a common use case might be to generate the report once and then store it in the file system, and then in the future when the user wants to view the report, be able to just tap a button and view the report that had been previously downloaded without having to make a call back to the server to regenerate the report. And you can do that because in the onComplete JavaScript function over here, you get information about the file name that will be used to store the report in the file system, etc. So you can persist all that information into, say, local storage, so that the next time the user wants to see that report, you can just open up the file that you previously persisted to local storage using the same action here, excepting that this time the file will no longer be remote, it'll be a local file in a specific part of the file system. Thanks very much for watching.